What if I told you that you could double your savings in just 6 months without taking any crazy risks? No, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven strategy that thousands of people are using right now to grow their wealth, even in today's economy. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to make it happen for yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your name, and today we're diving into one of the most requested topics: how to double your savings in just 6 months. I know what you're thinking. Is this even possible? Trust me, I was skeptical too, but after helping over 10,000 people transform their finances, I can confidently say, yes, it is. And the best part? You don't need to be a financial expert or take huge risks to make it happen. Let me show you how. Let me take you back to 2020. I was just like many of you, working a 9-to-5, living paycheck to paycheck, and feeling like no matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't get ahead. Then, something happened that changed everything. I stumbled across a simple savings strategy that completely transformed my financial life. Within 6 months, I went from having less than $1,000 in savings to over $10,000. And no, I didn't win the lottery or inherit a fortune. I just followed a few key principles that I'm going to share with you today. All right, let's get into it. Here are the 3 steps you need to follow to double your savings in 6 months. Step 1. Audit your spending. Like a pro, know exactly where your money is going by tracking every expense for 30 days using apps like Mint or YNAB. Step 2. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account every time you get paid, starting with 10% of your income. Step 3. Boost your income with low-effort side hustles. Explore options like freelancing, selling digital products, or renting out assets to earn an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. Imagine your bank account growing like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum with every smart financial decision you make. That's exactly what happens when you follow these steps, but you have to start now. Know exactly where your money is going by tracking every expense for 30 days using apps like Mint or YNAB. Step 2. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Step 3. Invest your savings. Consider investing your savings in a high-yield savings account or a certificate of deposit, CD, automatic transfers to your savings account every time you get paid, starting with 10% of your income. Step 3. Boost your income with low-effort side hustles. Explore options like freelancing, selling digital products, or renting out assets to earn an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. Imagine your bank account growing like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum with every smart financial decision you make. That's exactly what happens when you follow these steps, but you have to start now. Before we move on, I want to share something most financial advisors won't tell you. A little-known strategy that can supercharge your savings even faster. Stick around, because after this quick break, I'll reveal the secret strategy that helped me save an extra $5,000 in just 3 months. Let's talk about inflation. It's like a silent thief eating away at your hard-earned money, but you don't have to sit back and let it happen. By following these steps, you can protect and grow your savings faster than inflation can touch them. Speaking of inflation, let's talk about interest rates. With rates hitting record highs, now is the perfect time to rethink your savings strategy. High-yield savings accounts and CDs are offering returns we haven't seen in years. So if you're still earning 0.01% in a traditional savings account, you're leaving money on the table. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. All right, let's talk about the secret strategy I mentioned earlier, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. If you want to double your savings, aim to save 30% or more. Now, let's talk about side hustles. My top 3 low-effort, high-reward options are freelancing, selling digital products, and renting out assets. Before we wrap up, let's talk about investing. Start with retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. And explore alternative investments like real estate or cryptocurrency if you're feeling adventurous. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.